Hello and welcome to another tutorial on the Faber Adventure Piano series. This is level 1, second edition in the lesson book, and we're going to look at No Moon Tonight. So for No Moon Tonight, I'm going to play it and then I'm going to break it down a little bit, but my hands are going to be in an A position up here and then my left hand is here. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay, I think I probably could have started just a little softer, but notice how first off, this gets a lot of students. At the beginning, we're going to play an A, then we're going to skip up to C, but then step, and then step again up to the E, while also playing a fifth. And we should know what a fifth is by this point in your studies. Your left hand, this is middle C, is going to do something similar. It skips down, but then it steps down. So it's breaking down the notion that I'm either only stepping or I'm only skipping. I can do both. I can skip and then I can step. And I'm sure there are other pieces where you would step and then skip. So make sure that you look very carefully at the steps and skips in this piece. The first line and second line are the same, except the dynamics are different. So as you go into the next line, you need to get louder. And notice how I'm holding these two notes while the left hand plays measure 3 and 4, and same thing on measure 7 and 8. Then for measure 9, I have a dotted half note, 1, 2, 3, step down, 1, 2, 3, and now up, skip up to E. This is a series of steps. Look carefully at your book as you do that. And then measure 13, 14, and 15 are the same as the beginning. Hold that fifth while your left hand plays softly, but we've added one extra note to this pattern, so rather than the A, go right back up to the C. Then skip down to your A. Gives a little variety. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck and have fun.